I'm gonna wait for everyone to get in here before we get started. Let's see. We'll be getting started here in a minute. All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it, y'all. How y'all doing this Sunday? All right. Let's see. Let's see. All right. So really, on this call, I'm just chilling out, looking at different stocks, trying to see, what I'm gonna potentially trade this week. I already have a few already laid out. Got my game plan ready, of course. So I'll be going over a few tickers here as well. But starting off, I want to start with the sectors. That's what I normally do when I'm going over my game plan to see what the strongest sectors are for this upcoming week, month, and all of that. And I'm mainly looking to swing trade for the most part. And sometimes a day trade quite often as well. But I know that swing is king. That's where the real money is. So let's get into it. Let's see. So starting with SPY here. Looking at the yearly, we're still inside year, man. This has been a crazy up and down year. Wow. 3-1 on the year. So Now, if we don't break that high or the low of that outside candle, next year gonna give us the holy grail, and that's for people who trade the strat. We call it the holy grail, the 3-1-2 up or 2 down. And if you're new and you don't know about that, I highly recommend you learn about the strat. It keeps trading so simple because at the end of the day, price action is king, you know. So you need to know what candles mean and how they move and all of that. So let's see. So like I said, looking at the year. And I normally start from like the year, work my way down. I go to 6 month, quarter, monthly, 2 week, weekly. And if you guys want, also probably near the end, I'll go over some of y'all stocks that y'all looking at, and see if I would buy calls or puts on it. And you can pretty much put your tickers in the chat section. And that's all I have open up tonight. No more sharing the screen or allowing y'all to share y'all screen or anything. Let's see. So with SPY, loving it, man. So I'm honestly thinking we can go outside quarter. I already have my level set. This is another thing you guys want to get familiar with. Like after you learn the strat, you'll start learning how to mark up your charts. All right, I use this horizontal. Let me make this bigger. I use the horizontal ray tool on Trading View. All right, so right in here, boom, and I pretty much just mark the wicks on what the next candle could potentially do. So in this situation, we did make a 2-2 rev down on the quarter on SPY, but buyers came back in, brought their price action right back up, and we should potentially go outside quarter at this point because the reason why I believe that to be so, because the smaller time frames, we got a lot of reversals and continuation patterns. We just made this month of November, we made the 2-2 rev up. So that's 2-2 reversal up, right? Made a higher high, higher low candle for those who don't know what the 2 is. Yeah, I'm thinking, man, we can probably finish this month strong and crack this 459.44 level right here and make an outside quarter, or may take next month of December and break on out. Let me go back to that year. Let me see something. Oh yeah, it's a stretch getting all the way up here to make a 3-2 up on the year, but we'll see. We'll see. Didn't mark that because I don't know if we'll get there or not, but if we get close, I'll probably go and mark that level. So here in a second, like I said, I'll be going over the stocks that I'm looking to get in for this week. So 1 second. Just looking at SPY, break it down SPY real quick for now. All right, yeah, this has, man, so much strength, so much strength. And let me I'm going to turn off my time frame continuity candles because I know, people who are new like to see it the basic way, where the bears and the bulls are in, and taking price action either way. So let's see here. I'm going to keep it simple as I can. All right, so let's start going through these sectors here. Let me see what the strongest sectors are for this week, right? And I'm pretty much looking for nice setups for swing trades. So let's go into the technology sector and see what we have here. Of course, this is moving in a big way. We've already made crazy reversals. Man, XLK is on one. Let me go out to the yearly. And I already marked these levels, but when I get into the stocks here in a minute that I'll be looking at, I'll show y'all how I pretty much go down and mark everything up. Oh man, let's see here. So yep, we made a 2-2 reversal on the year. XLK is going crazy. Now keep in mind, SPY is the mother of all the sectors and everything, but XLK is leading. Like SPY didn't make that 3-2 up on the year. We're still inside year. XLK is taking off. It said pretty much forget SPY is leading the way, and it made the reversal up on the year, made a higher high, higher low for the year. This thing is going crazy. Very, very powerful sector. So, of course, the XLK sector is, stocks like the Apple and, stuff like that. Big name stocks, big tech stocks. Let's see. Yeah, so that's a powerful, powerful sector there. XLV, we're inside month. I believe XLV, I already got this one marked up. So I'm bullish on it as of now. I believe the yearly is, so the yearly is bearish. And that's what things could get tricky. But because, like, as far as my swings, I'm going out to like a month and stuff like that. So I normally don't buy like, 6 months out and all that extra stuff. I'm pretty much like a month and less when I'm buying options contracts and as far as my expiration date. So I'm looking at monthly charts in weekly charts when I'm looking to enter. So let's see here. Made a 1-2 up, 2 down on the quarter, but that wick is huge here. Bulls came right back in, taking this price action right back up. So yeah, that's pretty much keeping me bullish on this, because when I look at the month, all I'm looking for honestly is a reversal pattern going back to the upside. In this situation, we made a lower high, lower low in October. So November, we come in green, come in bullish, right? So it's like, okay, well, we can start to do a domino effect back this way. I'm always looking for a reversal. Continuation candles are cool, but those reversals, that's where your money is. You can ask anyone to trade the strat. Those reversals are some. So I'm normally building my position in situations like this. Let's see, the 4-week. Two-week. I believe 2-week made a 2-2 rev up. So this is definitely a powerful, powerful sector here going into this week. We could potentially, like I said, get that 2-2 rev on the month, then go outside quarter. Now, when we look back at SPY, now this one is lagging compared to XLK and SPY. And I try to catch those stocks that are lagging because they didn't make the move yet. They didn't take off just yet. So let me see. We already made a 2-2 reversal on the monthly on SPY. So like I said, we could potentially go outside quarter, XLK. Power moves. So you want to look at stocks. I mean, yeah, you can look at stocks that have their strength, but I like to be in pocket when I'm trading. So that's why I like the XLV sector right now, because of the setup here. We're inside month still. We didn't make the reversal. So it's like you build your position and hold that swing trade till we hit this level, then potentially go outside quarter, so on and so forth. So you can probably get a contract out to January, honestly. And if you want to try to catch that outside quarter, I'm trying to get all of this, this whole movement all in here. I want all of that. So let's look at some more sectors here before I get into the stocks for this week. All right, financials. We already know, like JPM, all those, they went hard. Look how strong that candle came back, man. XLF, industrials. Let's see. Made a 2-2 rev up. Let me look at the yearly on this one. Oh yeah, this is the one that's about to retrigger. So we already did the 3-2 up on the year. All right, so let me go down to the quarter on XLI. Yeah, I have no doubt in my mind that we're about to retrigger that 3-2 up on a year and go outside quarter on XLI. This is a very, very powerful sector right now. Very powerful. All you have to do is build your position in certain stocks in this sector, which we'll go over here in a minute. Let me start breaking this down some more. XLI. I mean, honestly, I don't even have to go through the rest of the sectors. I mean, we already see some powerful setups as it is. Energy. Let's see what energy looking like. All right, so this one I did not mark up. The year still bearish. Inside year still. All right, let's look at the quarter. That's bearish. Yeah, XLE. It's not giving me any. I mean, it's a good sector. You know, it has some good stocks in it, but it's giving me uncertainty right now. Yeah, we're bullish on the weekly, but there's a lot of conflict on these higher time frames. So we'll have to, I'll see how next week plays out. There may be something I possibly look into a week or two from now. All right. The monthly, okay, we made a 2-2 rev up. Okay, I already got this one marked up. We made a 2-2 down rev on a yearly on XLU. All right, but this candle here, this quarter, is coming back bullish. That's I don't know. I don't know about this one. See, I like certainty what I'm trading now. Now this is a good setup here. This 1-3 on the weekly though on XLU. Now this could like make or break this stock. This is a good one. So basically, if we do a 1-3-2 down and go back underneath that 2-2 down reverse on the yearly, then man, this thing can go. But if we do the opposite, 1-3-2 up, then we can probably make some big moves to the upside and collect all of this all in here. Yes, that's a decent one to keep your eye on. XLU sector, XLP consumer stuff. And by the way, I have the names of like what these stand for, the XLP consumer staples and stuff like that. So you know, you can look over to the side if you're confused about what I'm talking about when I'm mentioning the names of the sectors here. So let me see, XLP. I believe this is a pretty powerful sector here. Made a reversal. I love to see the reversals. It's letting me know it's ready to go. So everybody just hopped on, you know, if you're late, I'm just pretty much just going over sectors right now, and I'll be getting to a weekly watch list, and I'm going to look in the comments section here in a little while to see if there's any tickers y'all want me to check out. I'll probably mark up for y'all real quick. Not gonna do too many. I don't plan on being on here too long. I like to keep it short and sweet. XLC. This be the last ticker or last sector I'll look at, because I'm about to go ahead and get into the stocks I'm looking to trade this week. I just like looking at setups. That's all. Let me see something here. Make sure nobody commented on that. Okay. All right. XLC. Yeah, very, very powerful sector. So we had a Netflix and all those type of stocks moving with power. So let me go ahead and get into the top stocks, top swing trade stocks I'm looking at for this week. All right, so XLI, we went over that sector. That sector is really, really powerful. Still inside month, so I believe we're gonna make a huge move here soon. You know, give it a good month or two. We're gonna start breaking out. Y'all gonna see some stocks go crazy in this sector. But the top ones I'm looking at to build a position in, right here, UPS. Take note of these. Take note of these. All right. So look at all that, man. So much room to run. This one already got marked up, ready to go. What I like about it is the fact that we're inside month, right? We're inside month here, and we go down to the weekly. Excuse me. We're coming off a double inside, 2 up here, right? So that lets me know, like, man, this could be a powerful move. Those double insides, and then you get a two up or 2 down off of that. Oh man, those next candles are something else. So look at all of this room to run. This is what I love to see, because we triggered on that weekly. It's time to move. It's time to move. So looking at my 5-day, we made the Nirvana setup, which is the 1, 3, 2 up. We triggered that. It's time to build a position, man. Get you some contracts, in December. Just let it ride. Collect all, excuse me, all of this money here. Right. So I believe we'll get the monthly 2-2 rev up soon. After we trigger that, it's going for that outside quarter. Going for that outside quarter. Next one on the list is DE. Internet lag. I'm gonna have to take off Thinkorswim or something. I got so many programs going. It's ridiculous. All right, so with DE, I already got this one marked up as well. All right, so we're, like I said, I love inside month here. I'm dropping some gems. Y'all better be taking notes. I love the inside month on this one. All right, it looks like we already made a 2-2 rev on a 5-day. Let me go down to that weekly. I'm looking forward. I will be building my position come this week. Right, we have a short week ahead, so it's time for me to start, buying some further out expiration dates on these. Wow, 2-1-2 up. It's ready to go. I gotta mark that up too. Let me go ahead. I'll do it real quick. Y'all better get used to marking up these charts. I'm telling you. 2 up. This is the weekly. All right, 2-1. 2-1-2 up. Boom. All right. So because we triggered, look, it's time to go. Time to go. Let me look at these higher time frames, see what's going on out here. All right, we're still bearish on the year, but I'm not concerned with that, because that can flip back bullish because of what's happening. on these higher, these lower time frames, that domino effect is gonna kick in. So the quarter is bullish, right? That can go outside. Give it some time, we can go outside. Matter of fact, let me use my template on this one. I just want to type it out that first time to show y'all how I do it, but you'll get to the point where you start marking your charts up, you'll be saving a lot of these templates here with that horizontal array tool. All right, so outside quarter, bullish, boom. Got that failed too, ready to go. This thing get up over time. This thing get up to 450, but it has to do it fast. I don't know if it'll do it by the end of this quarter, but it is possible. Anything is possible in this market. I'm telling you, anything is possible. But because of where we're at, like what we got another half quarter left. So if it's not the 50, it's not the 50% field yet, it may not get there. May not get there. This may end as a failed 2 on the quarter, and then next year we may get the reversal and all that. But we'll see. We'll see how this year plays out. Anyway, that's DE though. Right now I'm not concerned with that. All I wanted to see was that inside month and the trigger, because you need a trigger somewhere. So I look for that trigger on that weekly. So this is something to look into. Like we can at least get in this area here. We don't know for sure. You never know for sure with the market. All you can do is have your edge over the market, build your position, and look, be ready to run them numbers up. Simple as that. All right, so cat. I'm liking this. Loving cat. Loving cat. Yeah, this is one of my favorite ones. To see XLI, man, I'm showing y'all some hitters already. These are some great stocks. All right, already. So cat is a good one to build a position in for a nice swing trade. We triggered on the weekly. Yes, sir. 212 up. We're back above the yearly 22 rev up. Price action is back above that. So it's just a pullback. This is just a pullback. Right? So you build a position right in here, start collecting. Collect all that. 22 rev up on the monthly. I don't doubt it. I don't doubt that it's coming. Can go outside. No, yeah, outside quarter. Yeah. But that'll have to flip. Yeah, that flip back. Bullish here. Yeah. This is a good one. This is a good one. I'm giving y'all some hot swing trades right now, man. All right, so XLY sector. XLY. Let's look at old Tesla. This is one that I'm currently in. I already pulled the trigger on it. And I talked about it in our group. And those who stay to the end, I got a nice surprise for y'all as well. All right. So 312 up. Wow. That's the holy grail on the weekly, right? So that's why I built that position in here on Tesla. Of course, I'm bullish on it. We made all types of reversals on this thing. I got it all marked up. We're back above the 2-2 down rev on a quarter. All right, so and that was bearish, but we're back above it in a bullish way. It's time to keep going. If we get that second 2 is even more powerful than this 2, like off of a strat combination. That's why I'm telling y'all, the people who are new, you definitely want to learn about the strat and the different combinations. So in this situation, I'm thinking this week we should get an explosive move, I believe, just from looking at the chart and having it marked up. So got a 312, and that next 2 could take us to the moon. We can probably hit that that monthly 2-2 rev up. Let's look at lows here. Still in the XLY sector, it looks like. So all good setups. All good setups to build a swing trade position in. So I'm gonna let that continue to load, I guess. Let me see if anybody have any tickers. We'll probably go over. Let me see. They turned over about DE and Cat. Okay, nice. Yes, sir. All right. So yeah, UPS and DE, and yes, I plan to post it in the Discord. But yeah, man, UPS, DE, there was some good ones. Cat, yeah, DE does have earnings this week, so we're gonna be careful with that one. We're gonna be careful now because of the setup, though. We see it. Let me go back to my charts. I'm just gonna go back real quick, y'all, to DE. Because you have it mapped out right, like we stay inside month with earnings calls. Look, I'm always iffy, right? You know, I used to go crazy with earnings calls. I ain't gonna lie. I used to tear it up, boy, because I made so much money with it, you know. But after a while, the earnings calls, like, if you want longevity in this game, you better stay away from the thing. But anyway, let me see. Because of all this room to run, DE could make a nice move for earnings. It could do it just by knowing the charts, right? Yeah, it's not overextended. Now Walmart, they sold people a dream. And I'm not gonna get off topic, y'all. Don't worry about that. I just want to show y'all something real quick. Like I said, I like to keep it short and sweet. But 1 second. Boy, look how they sold people a dream. That's why earnings calls, boy, you better be careful. You know, it hit all, like, it was pretty much overextended. This thing did the monthly 2-2 rev up. You know, it was going to the moon. People probably still in calls when earnings came up. Then boom, took them out. All them people who had calls, whew, I know they souls are crushed, and I mean crushed. But anyway, back to what we were talking about. I think I was on lows, looking at the setups. But like I said, there's any other tickers, man, I'll go over them. But I guess for the most part, y'all see the setups, y'all see the heavy hitters. I pretty much did the work for y'all. Look at all that room to run. Like I'm seeing setups that, like, the stocks are going to continue and get all of this, like, it's going to aggregate, it's going to move back up to this area up here. Basically dips, like, just to keep it simple. We're buying dips. We'll keep the game simple. Don't think too hard on this, man. We can keep it simple as 1, 2, 3. Keep it simple as 1, 2, 3, right? This is not that hard. All right. Oh man, double inside on lows on the year. Okay. So that's something right there, boy. All right, let me go to the quarter. All right, 2-2 down rev monthly. Well, only thing I'm concerned with is the monthly. Loving this inside. And I know a lot of people say, hey, don't trade the inside. Don't trade the inside candles. Man, whatever. We triggered. If we trigger on the week, like, you got to know how to play the game. And that's just what I do. Like, I'm giving y'all some gems right now. If we trigger on that smaller time frame, I know that price doesn't move, it aggregates. So it's going to try to come back to a previous price level, right? So in this situation here, let me go ahead and start marking up lows for y'all. Show y'all what I'm talking about. All right, the high here, I start marking this up because we're bullish, we're inside, and I believe, yeah, the weekly triggered. So because it triggered, I'm gonna start building the swing position. Now lows can start hitting these levels up here, and of course, keeping in mind the sector. You know what I'm saying? That gives you more confidence that a stock could continue in a certain direction. XLY, like XLY, like makes sense of this whole thing. The sector triggered. Okay, so the stock that's underneath the sector is going to start is going to try to mimic what just happened on the entire sector. Right, that's a gem right there. I better write that down. Nah, but we triggered 2-2 rev up. All right, and these two stocks here within that sector are still inside month, so it's going to try to follow. You know, these stocks are going to try to follow what the sector has done. In a sense. So that's why I built my position in Tesla, and you know, I'm going to get in lows probably, and of course, you know, you want to look at contracts, make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck, because you know some of these stocks they don't, or the options don't pay like they need to. Now we all know Tesla pays. When you catch a move on Tesla, oh, gonna be one rich fella. All right, so yeah, so that's lows. XLP sector. PM. That's the only one, honestly, that I see that's that has a pretty good setup in this sector. I already marked it up, ready to go. Monthly 2-2 rev up. Look how that thing straddled right on these levels. That's why I love having these. I love marking up my charts, man, and having these levels set. Boom, boom. I think we can get that 2-2 rev up. I mean, yeah, 2-2 rev up on a monthly. And you got to also look at where you're at. Excuse me, guys. This weather been something else. But you got to understand where you're at. So we're halfway through the month, right? November. So it's a possibility. We're still inside. So I think we can possibly get up there. We make some moves. Yeah, 2 weeks to make some moves. Now we do have a short week, so it takes off a little bit, but we can possibly get there. Like I've seen it happen. We recently seen it happen with, you know, SPY and Apple and all of that. So I'm getting y'all in position. Like a lot of people think they missed the wave and stuff like that. No, you didn't. You didn't. Like there's always another good stock out there. Always another good stock. All right. So let me see. I'm gonna go back to lows real quick, y'all. 1 second. Yeah, I started marking that up. Let me finish doing that. I got too hyped, went to another stock. Okay, so let me start marking this up. Okay, so potential. Let me just right click. I'm gonna use the templates on this. All right, so were we on the month? Monthly 2-2 rev up. Okay. Let me look at it. I'll just look at the quarter. I'm not even gonna go out to the year. I don't need it right now. Okay. And I'm looking for those reversals, baby. Boom. Was that the 2 week? 2 week. Go down to the weekly. What's happening? Well, I don't want to overlap, but we see that it's a 2-1, 2-1-2 up. So I think that's about to, man, it's gonna take out that monthly reversal super fast though. I don't like that. Like honestly, I would have wanted to be in back here. Lowe's is still a good one. Don't get me wrong, because once we get above the monthly 2-2 rare, we can keep going. We got a lot of room to run. Don't get me wrong on that. But I like to I like to get it at his lows, boy. Buy low, sell high. I like to stick to that. But it's still a good one. It's still a good one. Like I said, buy time, let it play out. Collect your money. But that was just a sample of how I pretty much mark up charts. All right. So XLV sector. All right. This is healthcare. DHR. This is a cool one here. It's not a big name like that, but a stock is a stock. Yep, monthly 2-2. Oh, this that setup right here. I love this one. This combination, the 3, 2 down, 2 up. We get that. This thing could go. It can honestly go. Let me see how the monthly look. Okay, that could turn to a fail. If we get the reversal here, let me go ahead and mark that. That was a monthly 2-2 rev, I believe. Yeah. 2 up rev. We get up here to that 221.66. That's going to be a failed 2. All right. On the quarter, then we can potentially go outside quarter. And what can get us there is the 3, 2 down, 2 up. That could be a strong move right there. I love that setup. Let's see what we got on the 2-week. Got a reversal. I mean, y'all seeing the same thing. I'm showing y'all the same pattern. Like, this is some good stuff. This is where I build my swing trade positions, and I collect all that premium. Like, as the stock continue to go, you just start to see your account grow day by day, day by day. TMO, still in the XLV sector. That's cool. Same setup. That's why I went ahead and passed it. I'm just getting on through these because I'm seeing some good names down here, like MA. We actually went over MasterCard. I sent that out to the Discord. Like, this was homework. I knew this is a powerful setup. If you didn't get in last week, you still can get in because guess what we got? A potential 2-2 rev up. But I was telling y'all about it. I was telling y'all to do the homework back, like right here, before this week started. We did the homework not long ago. Y'all could have built a position right as soon as that week opened, and boom, you would have collected that money. It did. We should continue on up next week. Monthly 2-2 rev up. The next stop, outside quarter. You see how it all plays out? You start to read this stuff like a book. We're still above that 6 month, 3, 2 down, 2 up. It's that money move. And that's what's happening. Number money right here. All right, so let's go to MS. While that's going, let me see what y'all looking at. Okay, I see a few here. See a few tickers here. Oh, NVDA. Y'all ready for that, huh? The NVDA gonna be something serious now. Talk about Walmart got slaughtered, boy. Yeah, it could go up. I ain't gonna front on Walmart. Walmart can make some moves. But it's just definitely for the long term. You better look at them higher time frames before you get in. That time got to be right. Look at 100 FTX. All right. Yeah, I'll just buy. Yeah, I mean, it's a good idea, but like I said, you want to make sure you time it right. You want to make sure you time that right. Fooling with Walmart after that move. All right, I give it a little time to cool off a little bit from that drop. All right, so Oh, okay. He's asking me, is it recorded? Yeah. I'll get with him in a minute. So that was MS. I'm getting off here in a minute. About to go relax for a little bit before I get on this coaching call in a little while. If y'all want to book coaching with me, y'all know what to do. Do 1 hour coaching sessions, taking people to the next level in their journey. All right, so MS, good one, good one, good one, good one, good one. You know, inside month. Look, this is where I build my swing positions. Now, oh, this is still a good situation here because after that outside candle on the week, that was a down week. So that will scare people out if you don't buy time. That's why buying time is so important, especially for swing trades, right? And now we came back with a powerful candle this current, well, last week. I believe we get another two up. So basically, it's just trying to recoup all these losses, all this downtrend, trying to recoup all that. So yeah, that's what can definitely happen. Give it time by time, and you'll be fine. By time, and you'll be fine. I'm gonna start using that. That was off the dome, y'all. All right, so last one that I'm gonna start looking into a few of y'all stocks. We're gonna wrap this up. Just wanted to show y'all what I'm looking at. Swing trades I'm looking to get into. TXN. How long we been on here? Y'all know I don't do stuff for too long. I'm in and out. Now I'm gonna give y'all this game though. I don't even see what the time is. Oh well. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's been about an hour. Yeah, we about to wrap this up. We about to wrap this up, buddy. Okay, so same thing. TXN, I'm loving it. It can recoup all of that. These last three candles, it can aggregate. All right, so I'll start marking my levels here. Monthly 2-2 rev up. Hope y'all taking notes. We made a 2-2 rev up. So every reversal, it gives me more confidence that we can keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Then the higher the time frame, the next level will crack. So in this case, we got the 2 week. Like we're halfway through November, right? So like I said, remember where you're at. So we're halfway through November. 2 week new 2 week candle starts. What? Oh no, we'll be wrapping up November here soon. So yeah, new 2 week candle starts here. Yeah, and another one won't start to December 4th. So yeah, new 2 week candle starts here. So yeah, this next 2 weeks we can get a continuation candle, and that can drive that month to reverse to the upside, right? So that's it. So anyway, I remember somebody calling out DKNG. Start getting into some of y'all plays here. See, like it's as y'all can see, I know some of these plays may not be in alignment. Oh, it's a nice little move there. This won't be in alignment with what I normally do when I build my position, but it looks like yeah, this is something I had marked up. Yeah, DKNG. Now you may want to get some serious time on this. I mean, it could keep going. I'm on the monthly now. It made this 2-2 rev, right? But what I would have wanted to build my position when it was inside, and then as soon as we triggered on that week, like so, oh yeah, pretty much right in here, bam, I would have built my position and caught that. So any pullbacks, it won't affect me. It won't affect my contracts much, after I caught that big move. So yeah, this is a good one though. This is a good call. Like I think it could keep going, but you'll have to, yeah, man, you'll have to buy some time. Now, oh, yeah, that yearly. Oh yeah, Made a 2-2 rev up on a year 2. Oh yeah, man. This can go. You may want to get next year or so. Woo, get this thing time to play out. But it is good. Like full time frame continuity is in full effect. It's in full effect on this one. Jesus Christ. But like I said, it's always good to buy time. This is a nice engulfing candle, man. Yeah, that can go. That can go. Let me see what else y'all got here. Let's see. What else we got? Oh, I appreciate that. I appreciate that, man. The sessions, the coaching sessions, put you in the game. I think NVDA, AMD. We're gonna look at those two. NVDA. See what's cooking on NVDA. If it's cooking anything. Okay, yeah, I remember this, man. I remember I was getting all kinds of moves out of NVDA. I was day trading the mess out of it because we made one of my favorite setups, which is, excuse me, y'all. Jeez. The 1 2 down 2 up. I love that setup too. The 3 2 down 2 up, or vice versa, 3 2 up 2 down. That has more range, but the 1 2 down 2 up and vice versa, that's another powerful one too. One of my favorite ones. So, but at the end of the day, I love the reversals, period. So that's just what works for me. Seen it work for countless others. So anyway, with NVDA, we did the monthly 1 2 down 2 up. Nice power play move. We're going for the outside quarter, I think, and earnings. Now, this is one of those ones we triggered, right? We triggered, and we made look. I feel like they selling a dream in here. I should play puts. So I'm gonna let this week play out. When I do earnings, man, just use a small percent of your account balance. Don't be full port no earnings plays. Don't lose all your money doing that. Like, that should be play money. You about 1% of your account balance or something small, a few dollars. Just throw a few coins in earnings, But anyway, just like Walmart, they sold a dream. And that thing probably, we probably hit that outside quarter, then it may reset, like, oh, and start getting ready for next year. You know what I'm saying? Get ready for 2024. That's probably what Walmart is doing. It's probably getting ready to make a comeback next year. Just ending the week, dropping them off. Probably, but we'll see. Because I know one earners, NVDA went crazy, but because it moved so much prior to earnings, don't fall for that dream. I wouldn't, me personally. I wouldn't fall for that dream. But anyway, I think AMD was another one. And we'll be wrapping this up here in a minute, y'all. I think about 2 minutes, man. I'm gonna wrap it up. All right, so I think that'll be an hour. Yeah, it'll be an hour that I've been on. All right, AMD, what you doing? Next time I do this, y'all, I'm trying to have so many programs going on in the background, slowing these charts down. All right, so oh yeah, it already made the 2-2 rev. I would have, like I told you before, I would have loved to build my position right in here, but that's not the case. It's still a good one. You can ride it up. Still got room to run, I believe. Yeah, we made a 2-1-2 up on the quarter already. So yeah, this is one you can probably buy some time on. Yes, sir. Oh, we can flip. We can on that year. Well, we're near the end of the year. That's a big move, but we'll see. You know, anything can happen. I always keep that mindset. Anything can happen in this market. So AMD come out of nowhere and start shooting out because of these smaller time frames. You know, it'll start pushing the higher time frames into the direction that it need to go. So maybe Tutu Rebel. Yeah, you know, you buy some time on AMD and probably catch a pretty good move going into next year. So FSLR, I think that's the last one I'm gonna go ahead and do for y'all. I said 2 minutes, so and I'll be showing y'all the little gift I got for y'all at the end here. For those who are not VIP in FLI Capital, got a little something for y'all. Okay. Okay. Failed 2 on a month. They can go outside month. Yeah, we got a little time, you know, a little time before we finish this month out. Let's see, the 2 week, 132 down, but we can get since a new 2 week candle. Oh man, I think you found a fire one here. Or ma'am, I didn't read the name. I'm sorry. No disrespect. All right, so this can be a 3 or 2 week. 3, 3, 2 down, 2 up. Right. It's a powerful setup there on the 2 week. And on the week, what we do there? We made the see y'all. I told you I love reversals. I love reversals. We made a reversal here on the week. I'm not gonna type that out because I'm about to end the call here in a minute. But y'all see it though. Y'all see it. We got a little pullback on the daily. See, most people because double inside day, man. You boy, you better trade this. Better trade this Monday. Double inside day. Come on, man. You see the levels. See, by me marking this out, and you get a move above the high of that 156.22, that's a play. That's a play. That's a day trade. You know, I love day trades. So reach out to me in the Discord. Let me know if you in FLI Capital. You know, I'll shout you out. When I post this play, you know, if I post tomorrow, I'm gonna make, you know, I like to give people their credit if they found a good setup. This is sweet. I like this. This wasn't even, you know, as y'all see, this wasn't even on my radar because you know, I was looking at swings, but this is a good day trade setup. Jesus Christ. Ooh, that's a move waiting to happen. And yeah, we can go outside month. That may push. We can push up the outside month. It's a good one. It's a good one for real. You probably get a nice percentage off of that double inside day. So yeah, let's go and wrap this up, y'all. This is what I got here. Let me bring this down. All right. So what y'all want to do is those who are new to FLI Capital or have been on the fence for a while, start the 7-day free trial with us. Start the 7-day free trial. Type in, you know, you can write this website down, bit.ly/FLI Capital -J Smith. And I'll send it in the Discord as well for y'all if y'all want to sign up. It's 7-day free trial. Try us out, and guess what you're gonna get? You're gonna get all of this, of course. And it explains it, but the main thing, you get closer access to me, right? I mean, I'm all the stuff I explained tonight, like I break this stuff down. I break this stuff all the way down. If you're not VIP, get the VIP because I got to tag VIP, you know, when I'm posting plays and posting my charts and when I'm looking at, you know, and you don't just get it from me, you get it from Patience, Rico, man. Like we're killing it in here, man. Good setups, right? This did 100% profit on Exxon puts and all of that. Like you get all this stuff, percentages, day trades, swing trades. You get it all. MRK. Oh man, y'all know me. I be on fire here now. Y'all better come on. Stop playing. You better get off that fence. All right, so click it. Go to that link. All right, let's grow our network together. And start the trial, 7-day free trial, right? Then after that, it's $50 a month. Man, the money you'll make with us. Oh my God. Join. That's all I got to say. Join the team. Let's take y'all to another level. All right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this session tonight. And look, can't wait to do it next time with y'all. This been fun, y'all. So I plan to send out the recording to the Discord. And I don't know if Rico just gonna keep it for VIP members only. I don't know how he's gonna do it, but I'm just gonna send it out to y'all, and we'll go from there. Let's have a great trading week. Look, let's also finish out this year strong, y'all. Talk to y'all later.